Hey guys, what's up? This is me Harshita and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some yummy vegetable cutlets. A cup of coffee with these yummy cutlets is the best winter combo. Check the description box for the ingredients. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now in a mixing bowl, add 4 boiled mashed potatoes, 1 cup of grated bottle gourd, half a cup of grated carrot, 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum, 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1/4 cup of boiled green peas, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies, 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 spoon of coriander or dhanya powder, half spoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, half a spoon of salt. You can add as per your requirement. Now mix everything well. You need not add any water at all as the vegetables have enough water content. Now to this add 2 to 3 spoons of gram flour or besan, 2 spoons of rice flour, half a spoon of salt, or you can add as per your requirement. Give it a good mix. The dough should be good enough to hold shape and not break. Now take a small portion of the dough, give it a shape using your fingers as shown in the video. You can make the cutlets of any size you want. Make the rest in the similar way. So I could make about 15 cutlets of this size. Here I have some breadcrumbs for coating. Now take a cutlet and coat it well on all sides with the breadcrumbs. You can even dip it in maida mixture before coating it with the breadcrumbs, but I felt it wasn't necessary as it already had enough moisture for the breadcrumbs to stick well. Don't be stingy, coat it well as the breadcrumbs make the cutlet crispy. Repeat the same with the rest. Now refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Heat some oil for shallow fry. Add the cutlets in batches. Fry it on low to medium flame. Do not fry it on high flame. After some time, flip and fry on the other side as well. They should look something like this. Fry until it turns golden brown in color. Keep moving them in between so that they fry evenly. Now I'm gonna flip it again and cook it for some more time. Again, do not cook it on high flame. Now remove it and keep it aside. Repeat the same with the rest. That's it guys, do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.